to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make a delicious s'mores chocolate chip cookie bar. By the way, did you know that the term s'mores means some more? If you like cookies, you will love this recipe. You will want s'mores. Call your family and friends to cook with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need 1 1/4 cup of flour, 100 grams of salted butter, melted, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 yolk, half teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of mini marshmallows, half cup of chocolate chips, 3 graham crackers, crushed. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make our delicious s'mores. A baking pan, a bowl, a wooden spoon, and a piece of parchment paper. Now that we have seen all the ingredients and all the utensils, it's time to start. In a big bowl, place the 2 types of sugar, the melted butter, and the eggs. Mix everything with a wooden spoon. When the mixture is ready, you can add the rest of the recipe. Mix everything until the mixture is smooth. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Ready, place the parchment paper on the baking pan, spread the mixture as I did in the baking pan, preheat the oven, bake the chocolate chip cookie bar for 8 minutes or until they are golden brown. After 8 minutes, spread some mini marshmallows and chocolate chips on top and bake it for another 4 minutes. Let's do it! Our s'mores chocolate chip cookie bar is ready. Let's try it, shall we? Delicious! Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy!